Have you ever imagined how many bytes of data in the form of photos, emails, status, or reports are generated and managed every day? Well, that's all what big data does. I am Shreya and today I am back with yet another career option after engineering, that is big data and its emerging career of big data analyst. It is estimated that around 2.5 quintillion bytes of data are created every single day, and out of it, a lot is created by business firms alone. But data is useless without the skills to analyze it. Hence, big data analyst helps an organization in segregating the data based on its 3 V's, that are variety, volume, and velocity. This analysis of such big data can help an organization in concluding about cost reductions, time reductions, smart decision making, optimized offerings, and much more. The real-time applications of big data are those emails that you get from a restaurant you went long back, and those happy hours you receive from a cafe, or the coupon you get as per your choice or from an e-commerce store. India is already facing a great demand and supply gap for data analytics professionals, and companies cannot control the flow of data on the internet, which is making this job of big data analyst more lucrative. They would need analysts with great warehousing, data mining, and database skills who can find the exact data and can use it for business growth. Institutes like Digital Nest, Coursera, and edX are best to learn big data analytics and work on real-time applications. The payouts that a big data analyst can expect starts from 4 lakhs and can get a hike up to 17 lakhs with increase in experience. So this is it for today's video. I hope you must have got insights to relate to this growing career option. Also, stay tuned to our social media handles to know the latest updates in the tech space. Do not forget to like, comment, and share the video if you find it useful. Stay healthy.